Unraveling the phrase, kicking up a fuss. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, kicking up a fuss. This expression is commonly used in both spoken and written English, and understanding its meaning and usage can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and explore what it means to kick up a fuss, and how you can use this phrase in your everyday conversations. Kicking up a fuss refers to making a lot of noise or commotion about something, usually in a way that shows you're not happy or satisfied. When someone is kicking up a fuss, they're drawing attention to an issue or problem by complaining loudly or making a big deal out of it. It's like imagining someone who's not just quietly voicing a complaint but is being vocal and hard to ignore. To help you understand how this phrase is used, let's look at some examples. In a restaurant, if a customer finds something wrong with their meal and starts complaining loudly to the staff, they're kicking up a fuss. At the airport, a passenger might kick up a fuss if their flight is delayed for hours and no one is providing information. In a store, if a shopper is not happy with the return policy and starts arguing with the employees, they're kicking up a fuss. These examples show that kicking up a fuss is often about expressing dissatisfaction in a way that everyone around can't help but notice. Now that you know what it means and have seen some examples, let's talk about how you can use kicking up a fuss in your own conversations. It's important to remember that this phrase is somewhat informal, so it's best used in casual conversations or in settings where a more relaxed tone is appropriate. Here's a simple structure you can follow. When describing someone else, my sister was kicking up a fuss at the store because they wouldn't accept her return without a receipt. When talking about potential reactions, I might kick up a fuss if they don't fix my phone today, considering how long I've waited. Understanding and using phrases like kicking up a fuss can really enrich your English vocabulary and help you convey emotions and situations more vividly. It shows a level of language proficiency that goes beyond basic communication, adding nuance to your conversations. We hope this video has helped clarify what it means to kick up a fuss and how you can use this phrase in your own interactions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your English conversations.